Hello, people. It's been a while, and I was supposed to come back on Halloween, but a lot of stuff has happened, and including, we have 3 parakeets, and they had babies. They had 4 babies, and 2 of them passed away. Well, one of them, the egg, didn't really make it, or it just wasn't a baby, and the other one passed away, or got crushed or something. I don't know. But we got this one, and the other one is a little smaller, and it's actually sleeping, because we just actually got that one out and it was playing. But this is mine. My mom gave her the other one. But these are the babies from Pikachu, my yellow one. And this is Ozzy, the little one. He's so awesome. He's adorable. He already knows who I am. Come on. Come on, little one. I love these things. I think they're called budgies. Hey, Ozzy. Ozzy. Come on, baby. Come to mama. That's my boy. He is awesome. So, he's a new member of the family. Little Ozzy. Yes. This will be a short video, but I've just been hella busy lately with a lot of stuff, and especially the little babies, and busy with the snakes as well. But things will be back where they need to be within hopefully a couple months. But things will be fine. But thank you guys. And I see little Ozzy wants to say goodbye. Come on, little one. Say goodbye to the people. Say goodbye. The headbanger's ball. Yes. Who's that? Okay. You say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Stay awesome. Have a good day. Hug someone.